Okay guys, so of course, here is the best part. It's eating times. No ka rin ko kaya muna. Sobra dakal, lek balo no muna. Kuita maya paldo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Yaku i Luis season ning where in Pampanga. Chu kami ngayon ni Keng Balanghai. Located dyan ni Keng second floor na ning SM City Telabastagan, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Ngayon nga doon ni pakit may kaya kayo nung nano na rin sa serve the what makes Balanghai special to other eat all you can. And hopefully abisita ye po ini sana aburi ye po yung video mi ngayon nga doon ini. Let's all chill out this day. Ito, just a quick trivia. So, Balanghai is a word which means boat. Kanya kasing ninunang panahon, may magdayula na rin tao kayong Pilipinas, magsakilang boat, which is Balanghai. And then eventually kasi, matagul yung boat ito it will have like a captain, a chieftain, and then a number of family. Eventually, may ganyang barangay na kung nanong balo tamang ngayon yakin ito. Ito po, so having its name, Balanghai is a Filipino buffet. So everything here is Filipino dishes. Liko po manakit like Italian, a pizza, a steak, mga yan. Pero reigning dishes po kayo ni is apindeng pakamalan tamong pamangan kayong buong Pilipinas. So alimu ka pampangan. As a matter of fact, every week at nila pong featured section kito, liwaliwang dishes from different places like Mindanao, Northern Luzon, Visayan region. So ngayon week ay nina at kami apin in Kamindanawan. So everything in this section here is from Mindanao. Okay, ni first plate ko. So kinangwa kong ginataang isda, ampong beef kulma, ginawa ko ring humba, lechon de Davao. Okay, so ngayon nga doon ngayon ni abe kay wife ko. Say hi, mami. And itang kaya kaming bunso ay ta Luis. So siguro ikitso niya kaya tang metong ming video pa. Buldit babi. Ito, medyo pang masanting apansin ko kayo ni every dishes atin lang description about the food. Minsan kasi like for example, may itong example, kareng aliwaliwang lugar, ating aliwaliwang klaseng lechon. Like for example, in Kapampangan, aliwaya pa nga lechon, in Cebu, in Davao, aliwala mag lechon. So, every dishes kayo ni, yan no? So, every dishes kayo ni, atin lang description or trivia, bakit lang may come up ketang makanitang dishes in a particular place. Hanep, di ba? Ayos. It's eating time. Aside from my first plate, so kinangwa ko rin kay, ayan na. So this binagoong ang rice. So ating kari-kari, kay ba't ating sisig at saka sisig bangus. Woo! Enjoy guys!
Ano naman na po?
Bringhe, lechon, bagnet to, bagnet.
Bagnet.
Yes, bagnet.
Ilan?
Caldereta, tokot baboy, popis, nilasing na hipon, kare-kare, and sisig bangus.
Lasing naman yan.
Lasing na ako na yun.
Ayan, kumain naman.
Good.
Wow! Yaman ha? Ito so super mag-enjoy yung Luis. Pa may kapang ni mami na before yung makasubo, manaus natin. But anyway, so ining kakanan ko kayo ni is itangking Kamindanawan. Hindi kitang Pilipino, dakal tamo pa a-discover pamangan within Philippines pa mo. A great idea or for us it's a privilege na ating mga nining klaseng restaurant kayo ni Pampanga wherein I enjoy mo itang pamangan Pilipino. Pero Kenny, Dito pong aliyo pa discover na Filipino food. Kaya nyo lang takman. Like for this one, no? At yung similar look and aroma. Dahil pa mga Bombay. Pa mga Indiano. Sit. Wow! Wow! For a price of 499, super sulit guys. At ang nakadal pa mga Kenny. Ito grabe kayong tutu. Na ako may kapag round 2 eh. Sobrang kadakal pa yung pamangan Kenny pero detong 2 plates na kinuha ko, sobrang kinabsi na ako. So, I think it's time for me to have the dessert. You can see it tinta mo Kenny halo-halo at hindi maka glass na dessert. Puri ko Kenny retang native na kakanin. So atin tamong turun, atin tang maha blanca, atin tamong biko, ating pangkay ka rin, ating magsuman, makanyan, maning tanagisan. Takman ko lang mo Denny kay bat, punta na kayo Kenny ha, biko. So yung susunod na takman tamo naman is turun. Wow, look at that, caramelized turon. Wow, yaman na. Promise mayaman niya. This is it. This is the end of our journey. Last kong takman is ining halo-halo. Wow, grabe. Overflowing. 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 Kenny, as in Eda tinipid. You can get the whole flavor of every dishes. Lalo-lalo ining halo-halo ini. So ito guys, so minsan pa salamat kayong pamakiabe. Dakal mo naman salamat Balanghay for inviting us. Sobrang kinabsi kami. So nung maniton kayong authentic Filipino dishes, eat all you can, probably you must try Balanghay. So this is located at the second floor of SM City, Telabastagan, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Magboy City bata ako. Anyway guys, please give this video a thumbs up. Share this to your friends. Make sure to be here with your friends and your family para mas mag-enjoy kayo pa. So until our next discovery, thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Peace out. Bye mom.